Hello Anna and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that can actually help you boost the traffic to your website, attract more customers that can result in the growth of your company. I will be covering the homepage, contents, Google Business Profile and backlinks. So your front page has the click to call buttons, you have links to your social media accounts over here, and then the reasons why people should actually choose to work with you and links to the different pages that you have. So overall, it's a very easy way to navigate your website. It doesn't provide too much information on the front page. In terms of the amount of content, right now it is sitting around 665 words, and content is important because it's through content that Google is able to understand what are the websites about, and also because you are able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords so that Google can find you for those keywords when people are performing a search that is related to those keywords. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Einstein Code, these guys have 1,467 words on their front, on the location page for Dallas. And All My Sons, these guys have 1,599 words for the Dallas location page. So you see how they have a little bit more content for that particular location, and that actually helps them push through those relevant buyer intent keywords. So something to bear in mind there. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in Movers Dallas. The first section, which is one of those buyer intent keywords, and the first section that we see is usually the Google Ads, and Google Ads are great at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The flip side is that they can be expensive, and also if some people just turn them off in their browsers. The other section is the map pack, and to rank here you need three things. You need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile. Then the third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here you need first to have a website that is correctly built in terms of content, and then you need something that is called backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool allows me to analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that your website has 126 external websites are pointing traffic to your website through 563 backlinks. Einstein Code, these guys have 59 external websites directing traffic through 390 backlinks, and All My Sons, they have 75 external websites directing traffic through 702 backlinks. Don't forget the last two websites are landing pages for Dallas, and these metrics here are for the whole domain or website of the company. But basically the message here is that this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. And you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have powerful backlinks, which are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. And Google has algorithms to verify this and will give you extra credits because then it will start regarding your website as an authority in, for example, moving services in Dallas. Now, in terms of keywords, you are being found. First of all, this is actually telling me an estimate of the traffic that you're getting, so 421 visits, and it's just an estimate. If I have a look at Einstein, these guys are getting 3,900 visits to their website, and All My Sons are getting 3,300 visits to their website. So just something to bear in mind for this particular location page, not the whole website. And then if we have a look at, let me just go back to your keywords. So you are being found for 610 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. I filter here by Dallas, you can see here, because those are the buyer intent keywords. And I can see here, for example, you are ranking in position 11 for moving services in Dallas, which has a search volume of 900. Moving help in Dallas has a search volume of 900, and you are getting 14 visits because you are in position 12. Dallas moving companies, search volume 700, and you are getting 11 visits for being in position 12. If we have a look at Einstein Co., these guys are being found for 446 organic keywords. And I highlighted some of these because Movers Dallas has a search volume of 1400, and because they're in the first position, they're getting 526 visits. That's 38% of the traffic, just for one keyword. Moving Companies Dallas has a search volume of 1500 because they're in the first position, they're getting 500 visits. That's 33% of the traffic. Dallas Movers, 1600 searches, first position, 327 visits, which is 20%. Now, there's this one, for example, Movers in Dallas, they're on the second position and the search volume is 500. And you can see here that it actually goes a little bit down, the traffic, to 29%. So that's the difference between ranking on the first, the second, and the third position. The third position, we have a keyword here, for example, has a search volume of 800, and they got 96 visits. That's equivalent to 12% of the traffic for that particular keyword. And I added up some of these keywords up to here, Moving Companies, Dallas, Texas. The total search volume is 7,750 searches per month. Because they are ranking at the top, they were able to get 2,279 visits to their websites just for those keywords, which is equivalent to 29% of the traffic. So basically what you want is that you want to throw in there the content, in your content, these keywords, which have the higher search volume, because you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And then by building your backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top. And then a percentage of potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage are going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information and don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.